So I just wanted to talk a little bit more about document accessibility and what I actually mean when I say that. So for something to be accessible, the user has to be able to interact with it. So if I open this PDF, you'll see that it is an accessible PDF because I can highlight the text. I should have had it open ready. So if I use the select tool, I can highlight the text. And if I'm a person with a reading disability or a vision impairment, I can use text to speech to have the words read aloud.
See augmentative and alternate communication.
So that's what we mean when we talk about accessibility. That's basic document accessibility. There's obviously the different layers and having the title and having those kinds of formats so that a screen reader can use it. But when we talk about document accessibility at school, mostly we just want to make sure that students can use text to speech to access the text when needed. So if we come back into Google Drive, one of the tools that I often use is in the settings. So if you make sure to press the gear, open your settings, I like to make sure that this box where it says convert uploads, it says convert uploaded files to Google Docs editor format. So what that means is if you have a PDF or a Word doc, it will convert and make your documents be able to be opened with Google Docs. So I like to check that box. And then anything that you have in Google Drive can be opened as a Google Doc. So now I'm going to show you what I mean when I mention an inaccessible document. So Finder is off the screen. You won't be able to see it, but when I open it, you'll see that I have this image. So if we drag this in so you can see, I'm trying to highlight it, but as you can see, it's just a JPEG. I can't do anything with the text. So I'm actually going to bring this into Google Drive. I'm going to upload this download. Oh geez, what was it called? There we go. I'm going to upload it. And then I'm going to press Control while clicking on it once it's uploaded. So if I press Control and click on the name of it, I can open with Google Docs. And Google is amazing. And they will convert whatever they can into text. So I have told it I want it to be editable. So it's going to take the picture, which I just took a picture of a book that I have here at home. I took a picture of it, emailed it to myself, and uploaded it to Drive. So as you can see, it'll still have the picture at the top of the page, which is good for reference. And then as you scroll down, you'll see that it has changed what it can into text. So it says 189. I'm not sure what this EXA means, and obviously this should be carefully, but it's done its best, and it's transferred the picture of text into text. And so now I can go in and edit it. So we can change the font, we can change the size, you can increase spacing, whatever you need to do to modify the work for your students. So I always think that that's a good tip to show people.